Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We just got about 16 to 17 inches of snow, and fortunately we've got the right machine for the project, the Ariens SHO. Let's go outside and get started.
Alright DIYers, that's a lot of snow, and it is handling it very well. Check this out.
Alright DIYers, I'm back inside in the warm and had to change out of my red hoodie because it was completely soaked, as you probably could imagine. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor, scrolling above is a link. You might get a kick out of this. We actually take the snowblower off course. Definitely check that out. Again, hopefully this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.